forecast. And a good Friday evening to everybody. I'm meteorologist Ron Reed tracking your eyewitness weather forecast. And today's high was only a little bit above average, 79. So we've been above average the past couple of days. Today was no exception. The low, I know it's not showing up here, but it was right around, I think it was right around 56 degrees, which is right where we should be for this time of year, if not a little bit above that. And regardless, nowhere near the records of 93 and 39. Although some of the Adirondacks and North Country may approach that record low as we head through next week. We'll get more on that coming up in the 7-day forecast in just a second. Tonight we are tracking rain for our Saturday, though, with highs only between 60 and 65. That's part of another cold front moving through the area, and we'll see a lot of clouds out there too. And then Sunday and Monday we'll have a few clouds, if not mostly sunny skies both days, with temperatures a little bit warmer between 65 and 70, but even that is about 10 degrees below average for this time of year. When do we finally return to average, you may wonder? Once we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, temperatures in the middle and maybe even the upper 70s both days, and then Thursday and Friday still not far from that with highs in the low to mid 70s, but at least it's not the 60s like we're seeing over the weekend, especially tomorrow with all that rain. So let's time that out for you. We'll have showers working in from west to east toward and after midnight. The heaviest rain looks to occur in the late morning into the early afternoon. And as we head throughout the afternoon, I think this model is a little bit quick on the clearing, but we'll see a lot of clouds and temperatures only between 60 and 65 at best. And then we'll drop into the 40s and 50s tomorrow night into Sunday morning. And during the day on Sunday, there could be some lake effect rain showers up toward the Adirondacks and North Country, but most of us remain dry. The good news is that we are not expecting any severe weather tomorrow. There might be a couple of rumbles of thunder in this light green shaded area from Utica down toward the south and east. The areas that would be under the gun for severe weather would be from the capital region southeast down toward Connecticut. And so certainly we'll be keeping an eye on that, but most of us just seeing some showers. There could be as much as a quarter to a half an inch of rain, where you do see the heaviest rain down toward the south and east, and maybe that rumble of thunder. There could be as much as half an inch to an inch, but that would be the exception and not the rule. As far as the 7-day forecast is concerned, again, the coolest day of the next 7 is tomorrow, with highs only between 60 and 65. And that means some of you up in the Adirondacks and North Country may only get into the upper 50s during the day. So not making much headway from where we'll be tonight, when we'll be into the middle and upper 50s. And then as we head through Sunday, we dry things out, we warm things up. Monday especially as well, so we get off to a bright start to the work week. Highs both days between 65 and 70. Still, again, cooler to the north. That's the one caveat. And then as we head through Tuesday and Wednesday, it becomes nice. Things start to warm up. Highs in the middle and upper 70s. Thursday and Friday, again, not far from that, but it still looks rather bright at this point. Thomas, I'll send things back to you.
Thank you, George.